Do you think there is a lack in the universe world? Look around. It's not lack in the universe world. Everything is in abundance. Abundance universe world. If you think and feel in lack, you have to look around yourself in abundance universe world and start to think everything is in abundance. So then you will start to think and feel in abundance. Definitely, if you're not looking around and your surrounding as a universe world, you can start to think and feel everything is in a lack, because that means you are living in a lack mindset. Mindset means your thoughts and feelings and your environment, family and friends, maybe they are telling you it's lack in the universe world, and that's what your programming is as your beliefs, and you start to believe that, you start to feel that, you start to experience that, because you think everything is a lack in the universe world, and that's what with the mindset you are living. And to change that, first you have to change your thoughts, and then you have to change your feelings as your beliefs, and definitely then look around your surroundings, go in the nature and start to experience that nature. In the nature you will start to learn there's nothing lack in the universe world. Everything is in abundance. Why I'm showing this video, why I'm making this video, it's a reminder. Look at the water. There's a plenty of water in the universe world, and then again we think there's a lack in the universe world, because the environment we create, the way we think, the way we feel, and then we start to create that environment. Definitely is a lack. But you just look at the ocean now. There's a plenty of water in the ocean. There's no lack. There's nothing lack or less or increase. Everything as it is. And look at the sun gives light to whole world, and there's no lack. And if you're feeling living in the dark, it's your choice. It's not that sun is not out, sun is not there. Sun is there all the time, and how we think and feel and experiencing, that is up to us. And if we want to live in the darkness and we want to experience that, yeah, definitely that's what we're going to experience. But to change that, to if you feeling that you wants to change, and you have to go in the nature. Nature gonna teach you, definitely automatic. You will start to feel and experience everything is in abundance. There's no lack. You don't feel the fear and think and experience the lack. Everything definitely in abundance. So that's how we born with abundance. There's no lack. Only the way we have grown up, the way we have our beliefs are start to believe, and that needs to change. Is ongoing change on your beliefs and your thoughts and your feelings, and definitely you're going to start to feel in abundance. And that's why I'm making this YouTube. And it's very important to remind ourselves. I have to remind myself also, and we all can feel that because of the news, environment, family, or friends, and they can start telling you what's happening around the world, and there's everything is going not enough, and things are not going right. It's all to do with how we are programming ourselves as a family and the friends, the environment. This is the reason you have to keep yourself, the environment you wanted to experience, and the thoughts you wanted to think and feel and experience, and you have to create that, you have to live that, you have to feel that, you have to think that. So this is the only reason why I'm making this YouTube. And for me, when I go to the nature and my mindset, my God, I just start to feel everything is in abundance, and you start to feel so beautiful, and there's nothing lack, everything's complete. It's only in our mind what we think and feel and experience. So you can change that also if you're feeling and think that experience, And once you start to change, definitely your environment going to change, your mindset going to change, and your thoughts and your feelings and your beliefs going to start to change. But you have to start to do that. Go in the nature and spend some time, and definitely you're going to start to feel that. So for me, nature, I am part of nature. I have to uh, whenever I can, I start to sit around the nature and experience the nature, and then we become that vibration, because everything is a vibration. What we vibrate, that's what we attract. And that nature is a recharge of our vibration. And so we have to sit in more in the nature, and start to feel the nature, and we are part of nature. We are no separate from the nature, and we start to think and feel separation from the nature, and we are no difference than nature. So there's no lack in the universe world. Start to feel abundance and start to think in abundance. And universe world is a abundance universe world, and it's a 100% true. And I think with my experience, this is how I feel and think, and experience, and live in abundance every single day. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and start spending 10 minutes, 20 minutes without your shoes. Start to walk on the beach, or start to walk in the nature and sit in the nature. Start to meditate in the nature, and sit for at least 20-30 minutes whenever you can. Once a week is very important to sit in the nature, experience the nature, feel the nature, and definitely you're going to recharge. That it recharges you. It means this is how the vibration change, the thoughts change, the feelings change, and the beliefs change. And it's very important be a part of nature. And doing that, you definitely going to feel that you are part of nature. There's no separation. And so I think that's what I would do. And if you feel that nothing is working for you, start to experience the nature. Start to spend time in the nature. Nature can be in your garden, or the trees, the greenery, or beach, or whatever you feel recharged, as in whatever is close by. If you haven't got the beach around you, I'm sure there'll be some trees around, or some plants, or some greenery, or whatever is available to you. And you can start spending some time in the nature, and just be yourself and be with the nature. And you definitely you're going to start to think differently. You're gonna feel differently. You're gonna experience differently. And that's what we are. We are part of nature. We are part of this universe world. So hopefully you're going to like this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like the YouTube. Leave your comments. What do you think about the universe world when you look around, and when you sit in the nature, how you feel and think? And for me, I feel really good about myself. I feel grounded. I feel it's just it's just clarity. Your thoughts start to feel in a clarity. You start to create. You start to think differently. You start to not differently means this is how we're supposed to think. And I get a lot of clarity when I am sitting in part of nature, and I feel really good about myself. Hopefully you're gonna do the same. Watching this YouTube going to help you. So start to think and feel, and action. Action means start to do things you love doing. Start to create, and start to spend more time what you love, and more time spending yourself and the nature. Yeah, that's what I would do if you are feeling lack in whatever. I think that's what I would do. And I think that's it. Yeah, the sun is gone down, and it's quite windy here. Beautiful air blowing, and beautiful sound of the waves. So beautiful. I can just watch the waves hours and hours, and be so relaxed watching the waves, and you feel relaxed. I think I'm going to leave the video for a little while to watch the waves, and you can do the same. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please leave your comment. Your comments going to help me. If you have any question around I know, or you want to ask something, you can do that. Thank you, and be a part of nature, and that's what is your real self. I think that's all for today. Thank you, and have a great day.